Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So what's going on? Well, we're gonna work on the love boat a little bit. We gotta get these gold nuggets in there. Yeah, so that's like gonna be a suck job for real. So we're gonna go ahead and take the turnbuckles off, undo the headers, and get the plugs out of it. And then we can maybe undo the motor mounts and get it up enough with the engine hoist. Got it right there. And we can get it up enough to where we can change them out, you know, make it as relatively painless as possible. But yeah, it's not gonna be a good time no matter what. But you know what else? It's not gonna change itself. They're not gonna change themselves on their own. And just as soon as we fix one, the other ones are gonna start leaking. So at the very least, we'll get the ones in the block done, and then whatever, we'll just go from there. But we'll at least have that part of it done. So I am going to start unbolting things. Okay, we got one side done. So I should probably take the headers out. They pretty much just kind of drop in. We'll see. When we're lifting the motor up, maybe they'll just pop out. Yay. Yay. We might have enough room to operate. So let's go ahead and see if we can do a little something. We just climbed up in this bad mofo. See, I'm standing in it. Yeah. We got them two knocked out. Now we're gonna try and put two in. I'm putting that in the that job officially sucks category, because that sucks. It sucked. This things better not come out. Or I'm gonna be angry. And our reward for getting the one side done is that we get to do the other side. I would like to get them all done today so that when I come out tomorrow to work on it, that this stuff will have a little bit of time to tack up and whatever else it needs to do. But, oh God, this sucks. Sucks. Got those three little beavers out. So now let's clean it up a little bit and then stick some crap in it. Oh my God. You know, I'm sorry I didn't film any work, but bro, I'm like, Jesus Christ, let's just get this done. Okay. Now we'll put the exhaust back in, then we can lower it down, and maybe we can get the bolt holes lined up on the engine mounts, and that would be fantastic, because then we would call it a day. This is how awesome Lincolns are. You just take the radiator hoses loose, and you can take and lift the engine up a little bit. You can take the whole exhaust out. I did that on both sides, just pulled them both out of the top. It's crazy. All right, let's lower this junk down. This is one thing where the Lincoln has a distinct disadvantage over the Mustang, is in motor mounts. The motor mount stuff on these things sucks. It's like a Chevy with that weird bolt through the mount thing. Why can't they just make it slidey, just drop the damn thing in? How hard can that be? So anyway, plus these mounts, I should have pulled the bolt out. I don't know why I didn't do that. Yeah, I do. I know why I didn't do it, because I'm a moron. A class A moron. I don't even know what I was thinking. What an idiot. Whew, Lord have mercy. All right. So tomorrow we'll come out, bolt the headers up and everything, and we're gonna put our other distributor in it. The one we were originally gonna put in it. We're gonna put that in and hopefully fire it off, see how it does. So, or whatever. I'm just glad. It better not leak, that's all I gotta say. If it leaks, I'm gonna be frustrated. So anyway, we'll see you guys in the next clip. This is officially the freeze plug socket. Got one header bolted up. The boss stopped by, had to yak with him for a little, one of the bosses. Had to yak with him, and we got we had to change the switch for the water pump so we could run it. The battery is almost dead from coming home with the failed TD, so we got that on charger. We just got a lot of stuff going on. So, but we're getting closer. So let me throw these plugs in, get the other side started up too. All right, here's where we are. We have got to try and find like an 11/32 Allen key or socket to take this out. We need to move this over here because the distributor is hitting. You can actually see the mark right there. I was like, well, I'm distributor driving it. Well, it's hitting. So we gotta find, we gotta get this out so we can take that out and put it in its spot. And of course that's the only places to put a temperature sender on this intake. So one of them things. I don't have one here in my box, so I'm gonna go see if I can find one. All right, we can't find an Allen. That, whatever, it's half stripped. This is the stuff, this is the stuff that drives me bananas. I mean, absolute bananas. Just a stupid plug that I gotta relocate one fitting and plug, and this whole thing is turning into a debacle. And this is, oh my gosh, this is the stuff that gets me completely lit, because it's so stupid and you have to spend so much time and effort on something completely idiotic. Drives me, I'm frustrated right this minute. Can't even describe to you how mad I am right now. I mean, what the? All right, I got so aggravated with it, I just threw the distributor in it just so I could hear it run. This, mad. Yay! Man, that's frustrating. Yeah, the easy out's still in it, and you know, leaks water around it, so whatever. This is freaking awesome, dude. All right, that's it for this one. I might come out and work on it tomorrow. I'm frustrated. This is insanity. Oh God. I just want to drive it. I just want to drive it up and down the damn road, man. Just so I can get some more motivation. This is not helping. This is not doing the job. So anyway, yeah, I know you can yell in the comments and tell me everything I should be doing. Whatever, man. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. We couldn't do it without you. Yeah, I mean, we wouldn't do it without you. But especially, thanks for watching. Until next time on the Substandard Leader and Box Body videos on this here man's YouTube. 1 year push rod, single plane, stick shift 5.0 Lincoln Town Cars, 4 drag vans, proud owner, proprietor, rope worker, cover charge collector, and premium lap dancer of Club Big Boost, and is always fighting a good fight against them zombie Mustangs and that rascal Dr. Fear. We'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know if I can handle another one of these. Not this week.